What's going on, hikers? In today's video, I'm going to help you bring your ground sheet game up to par, baby. Got a great alternative for you, ultra light, ultra cheap. You're going to love it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jeremiah Stringer, and here we talk about all things hiking and backpacking. So if you're into that kind of thing, consider subscribing. Hey, Jeremiah, can you help me out and bring me that ground sheet? What's up, dude? Top shelf? Yeah, what's up, man? Hey. Yeah, I think it's on the top shelf. Hey, you'll have to help me out then, bro. Yeah, I'll help you out. Let's go. This stuff is a lifesaver. I'm telling you. I went to an REI garage sale and this thing saved my behind. Because I bought a tent used and it didn't come with a ground sheet. And I was like, man, this, the bottom of this tent feels really, really thin. I know I need a ground sheet. So I got on the phone with North Face. Yo, North Face. I need a ground sheet for this tent. I bought a North Face Tri-Arch 3. Yo, sorry, bro. Jeremiah, we don't sell a ground sheet individually for that tent. You have to buy it with the tent. Wait. So what am I supposed to do? I don't know. Maybe you can just find one used. So you know what I did? Got online, started typing away, figured out that you can use polycro instead of a ground sheet. And it's actually lighter than a ground sheet. So let me tell you a little bit about it. Perfect hack for your life. So this stuff you can buy on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. It's super cheap. I think I paid like $5.50 for it. And it is the shrink wrap that you would put up around a window, maybe in the winter time, and you would like blow dry it and shrink wrap it against the window. That way it helps protect, air coming in. I used it and bought it, ordered it, and I set my tent out and I cut the ground sheet the perfect size, and voila, there you have it, a ground sheet. Now there are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to this ground sheet, or in my opinion better than a ground sheet because it's lighter. One, there is so much material that comes in this box for so little money that I actually made 2 ground sheets out of it. And secondly, you have to be careful when you're cutting this though. Because if you're cutting it and then there's a little nick in it, it's gonna rip right on you and it'll tear all the way through. So what I did to help alleviate that problem is I took some clear packaging tape and I tore off a little piece where I would nick it while cutting it, and I would just fold it over. And third, this one's a big deal. When you cut this, you have to cut it to the proper size. See, normally whenever you buy a ground sheet, it's perfectly fitted for your tent. You just attach it on the poles and it fits because it's designed to fit. Well, this you're creating on your own. So whenever you do cut it, you want to lay your tent down and you want to cut this thing just maybe an inch or 2 away from the edge of your tent. Because if you cut the ground sheet larger than the bottom of your tent and it rains, well, I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen. The rain's going to hit that and roll under, and that's not good news for you. Now, if you're a hammock camper, you probably haven't made it this far in the video. But if you did, I know a lot of you guys use Tyvek, and this is actually smaller than Tyvek. And a lot of my friends at hammock camp, they put, a little piece of Tyvek under their hammock at night, and it just, it's a nice, dry, clean spot. You can use this instead. And what that's going to do is it's going to be lighter than Tyvek, it's more durable than Tyvek, and it's going to be cheaper unless you got the Tyvek for free, I guess. If you want to check out that tent that I was talking about, you can click right here. And that is the perfect size tent for my wife and I to both fit in and be comfortable whenever we go on backpacking trips together, and we kind of split the weight evenly. Folks, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and kick the notification bell for the latest notifications.
Jeremiah, come on!
Yes, I'm coming.